Dr. Immo Hansen works at the Hansen laboratory on campus as the principal investigator, studying disease-transmitting arthropods, which includes mosquitoes. Recently, the lab has been testing insecticide resistance in mosquitoes and the effectiveness of various repellents. What they found is that chemical repellents are the most effective for repelling mosquitoes for hours at a time.
To know what repellents work and which one don't work is important for your personal, for your personal purchases when you go out and buy mosquito repellents.
Dr. Hansen and his team use a wind tunnel to conduct research that helps determine how effective the repellents are.
When you test mosquito repellent in the field, you have the problem that the wind is unpredictable. It can change directions and blow away your repellents. In order to address this problem, we're using the slow-speed wind tunnel facility in order to get a constant airflow.
The wind tunnel provides a stable environment to test repellents. By using a cage filled with a predetermined amount of mosquitoes and a bait volunteer upwind, the team is able to calculate the effectiveness of any given repellent. But to Dr. Hansen, the best solution to keeping mosquitoes at bay is keeping them out of your living space.
Check the screens on your windows. Make sure there are screens. Make sure they don't have holes. The second thing is get rid of standing water in your backyard. This is breeding habitat for mosquitoes, and just getting rid of this habitat is going to reduce the number of mosquitoes.
Dr. Hansen says for homes that have standing water areas, such as a pond, mosquito fish are highly efficient at controlling mosquito populations, and one of his favorite methods of mosquito control.
I have a pool in my backyard and I have a whole swarm of mosquito fish in there. You don't even have to feed them. They live on insects that fall in the water, basically. And they will take care of all mosquitoes. They're just going to eat all the larvae.
As for insecticides, Dr. Hansen sees them as a temporary solution. Insecticides are effective at killing mosquitoes, but they disrupt the surrounding ecosystem and can be harmful to pollinators. On top of this, mosquitoes actually gain resistance to insecticides over time if used too frequently.
It is an effective method, but doing all these other things I talked about, reducing breeding habitat, putting mosquito fish in the water, and screening your house is probably the more effective long-term solution.
According to Hansen, being prepared and protected is your best chance in preventing vector-transmitted illnesses. For KRWG Public Media, I'm Johnny Coker.